My name is Mark and I will perform cardiopulmonary resuscitation for adults. First step, survey the scene. I have my blood substance isolation precautions on. Isuot akong gloves. The scene is safe. I have one adult victim here. My name is Mark, first aid responder. Can I help? Can I help?
Yes.
Check the responsiveness. Check natin responsiveness. By tapping their shoulders using your two hands, they say, hey, 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 are you okay? Hey, 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 are you okay? The victim is unresponsive. Hindi kumilos, walang response ang pasyente. The victim is unresponsive. You girl with a blue shirt. Magtawag ka ng bystander. You girl with a blue shirt, please activate EMS or please call an EMS or an ambulance while assess the victim. Check. Letter A na tayo. Check for the airway. Check muna natin yung daanan ng hangin. Head tilt. Ibig sabihin na head tilt, patingalain. Chin lift. Jaw thrust, pangangain. Then check the mouth. At saka yung nose. The mouth and nose are clear. No obstruction seen. Sir, while checking the airway, may nakita kang obstruction. Mamaya tayo dyan when it comes to choking. Let's say muna, the mouth and nose are clear, no obstruction seen. Next, B, check the breathing. Check natin kung may paghinga. Paano? Look, listen, feel. Paano yung look? Tingnan ang bibig. Listen, ilapit ang tenga sa bibig. At feel, pakiramdaman kung may hangin. Ganito, look, listen, and feel. Then, magbilang ka ng 1 to 1,010. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. What's your assessment? The victim has negative pulse. Wala akong naramdamang pulso. Negative breathing. Hindi ko nakikita humihinga yung pasyente. Please follow up EMS as I do CPR. Gagawin ko yung CPR. Na-confirm ko na walang paghinga, walang pulso. I will now do the CPR. For adult, ang ginagawa natin ay two-hand CPR. Paano? Yung non-dominant hand, yung nasa ilalim, yung dominant hand ninyo, yun yung nasa ibabaw. Bakit? Kasi yung dominant hand mo, yun yung pang-push mo. Tama? So, kung ikaw ay kaliwete yung nasa taas mo, nasa ibabaw. Kung ikaw ay kanan, kanan yung nasa ibabaw mo. Tama? Ngayon, saan ilalagay ang heel ng iyong kamay? Dito sa chest, the center of the chest. Check nyo. Di ba yung utong? O, yung gitna nun, yun. Okay? Then, let's do the first cycle. Let's pump. Ang pag-pump nito is from 2 to 2.5 cm. Okay? Let's count. 1 to 20, 1 to 30, 1 to 10, and 1. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. After compression, give breathing. Head tilt, chin lift, jaw thrust, pinch the nose. You have to pinch the nose. Bakit? Magbibigay ka ng hangin. Pag hindi ka nag-pinch the nose, yung binuga mong hangin, lalabas lang sa ilong. Tama? Kasi dapat yung binuga mong hangin, papasok sa baga. Blow! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blow! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sir, bakit may bilang na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Nagpasok ka ng hangin sa baga, tama? Nag-inhale. Yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na yun yung time naman niya na i-exit, ilalabas ng katawan yung hangin. Naku ha? At kailangan, habang nagbibilang ka ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nakapalpate ka dito para ma-check natin kung may pulso na ba o hindi. Kasi anytime, pwedeng mag-recover yung kanyang pulso. Tama? Diba sabi ko, pag may pulso ng pasyente, pag may paghinga ng pasyente, stop na CPR. Tama? Second cycle tayo, kayo magbilang, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2. Kasi pang second cycle na, tama? Okay na. Exhale, chin lift, jaw thrust, pinch the nose, blow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third cycle, bilang, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3.
Very good. Head tilt, chin lift, jaw thrust, pinch the nose, blow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fourth cycle, bilang, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4.
4. Head tilt, chin lift, jaw thrust, pinch the nose, blow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Blow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Last cycle, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5.
Head tilt, bagitin nyo ha. Head tilt, chin lift, jaw thrust, pinch the nose, blow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isa pa?
Hindi na po.
Hindi na, di ba? Pang-lima na yun, tama?
Yes.
After 5 cycles, check again the breathing. Check natin baka may paghinga na. Bilang ulit tayo 1 to 1,010. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009, 1,010. Now, what's the secondary assessment? Kanina, di ba? Negative pulse, negative breathing, nag-CPR tayo, tama? Ngayon, secondary assessment. Let's say, the victim has positive pulse, but negative in breathing. May tibok na, may heart rate na, tumitibok na puso. Yun nga lang, sa paghinga, wala pa.
Yeah.
What we need to do? Please follow up EMS again as I do rescue breathing. Kanina, CPR, tama?
Yeah.
Chest compression, tama?
Apo.
Ngayon naman, may pulse na pero walang paghinga, ang gagawin nyo, rescue breathing. Hindi na tayo magpapang, buga na lang tayo ng buga. Tama? Paano? 24 cycles to. Head tilt, chin lift, jaw thrust, pinch the nose. Tandaan yung pinch the nose ha. Blow. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 1. Blow. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 2. Blow. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 3. Blow.
1,002, 1,003, 1,004.
Blow. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 5. Blow. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 6. Bilang. Blow.
1, 1,002, 1,003, 7.
Blow.
1, 1,002, 1,003, 18.
Blow. 1, 1,002, 1,003, 9. Blow.
1, 1,002, 1,003, 10.
Blow.
1, 1,002, 1,003, 11.
Bilang. Blow.
1, 1,002, 1,003, 12.
Blow.
1, 1,002, 1,003, 13.
Blow.
1, 1,002, 1,003, 14.
Blow.
1, 1,002, 1,003, 15.
Blow.
1, 1,002, 1,003, 16.
Blow.
1, 1,002, 1,003, 17.
Blow.
1, 1,002, 1,003, 18.
Blow.
1, 1,002, 1,003, 19.
Blow.
1, 1,002, 1,003, 20.
Blow.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,003, 21.
Blow!
1, 1,000, 2, 1,003, 22.
Blow!
1, 1,000, 2, 1,003, 23.
Blow!
1, 1,000, 2, 1,003, 24.
24, okay na tayo. Huwag na pong blow ulit, ha? Kahit pogi yung pasyente, huwag na mag-blow, ha? Now, after resting breathing, check again the breathing. Look, listen, and feel ulit. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 1,006, 1,007, 1,008, 1,009,
1,010.
Final assessment. Let's say, the victim has positive pulse. Diba kanina pa siya positive pulse eh?
Yeah.
And now, positive breathing. May paghinga ng pasyente. Tama?
Yes.
So ano na gagawin natin? Ibig sabihin, buhay na pasyente. Tama? Positive pulse, positive breathing na. I will turn the victim into recovery position. Paano yung recovery position? Taas yung kamay niya dito, nakaganyan. Taas isang kamay niya dito. Okay? Then turn the victim into lateral position. Dapat away from you. Bakit? Kasi kapag yan ay towards you, susuka yung pasyente. Masusuka ka. So, what to do? Rub the back. Ikot lang. Rub the back lang. Rub the back. And, if you have cloth, wipe the secretions. Punasan yung laway. And turn the victim into supine position. Balik ulit. Sa pagkakahiga. Final assessment. The victim has no blood. Walang pagdurugo na nakita sa katawan. No deformities. Walang pagkabali. No contusion. Walang pasa. No abrasion. Walang gasgas. No puncture penetration. Walang nakatusok. No burns. Walang pasok. No tenderness. Walang paninigas. No laceration. Walang hiwa. And no swelling. Walang pamamaga. Therefore, the victim is revived. Hindi survive ha, revive. Understood?
Yes.